Possum's having fun. Yeah, I am. He's like, what is this? This is fun.
Well, he's like, YOLO. Oh, you didn't splash me.
He doesn't need a pool. I'll just play in the creek. You having fun, buddy? He's having a blast.
Oh my gosh, you're all wet now. So it's gotta be when I'm right there.
You had your picnic lunch and now you're playing in the water. What a great day.
Look at that. Oh, now he's gonna go find a place
He's
to
got to
roll.
find a place to roll now. You got to find the perfect
I don't think he'll ever understand.
This has got to be here somewhere. Where's my place?
You know, it's like owner like horse because it's like I love to play in water.
Mm-hmm.
Pools.
That was fun. Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
This has got to be about it.
Yep.
There we go. Yay, it's the perfect spot.
I just brushed you too. He's like, oh, that feels good.